Hey guys, and welcome back. Kris here from the Mindbloome Exchange, and we are just following up with our last thesis that we made for Bitcoin. And we said that it would hit the 105 to the 107 range and possibly see a massive correction or minor correction. And if that doesn't happen, then we would be looking at possible levels of 117. So I think right now, currently, if I draw this map out for everyone here, what I'm seeing anyway is if we go daily, even, hopefully everybody's having a really lovely day as well. So daily went from 74 down to 48. So it's about 30 grand, give or take. And so we went from here to about 38. So that was one level I had, and 52,000 is what I had. So right now, currently, if I try to scale this up as much as I can so you can sort of see the direction or where my brain is thinking, I guess, is where's my little marker is we can either go up to here, right, the 117 marker, and then correct down to 81,000 and keep going up. That's one way that we can run. The second way that we can run is go down here. I'm going to make this green. I like green. And then we can continue to punch up. And then from here, dependent, we can either go down, up, or further up. That's strategy two or thesis two. And then thesis three, which has some merit, I guess. They all have merit, but it's, and then from there, we, you know, go that way up. So, and I will make this purple. So we got three strategies moving forward. Actually, we got one more, which I missed, is we don't correct and we keep going up, which the more that this keeps extending up and 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 up, the more it means to me that the harder the correction will be, right? So example is like when you drop a ball, it goes down really hard and then it comes up really hard, right? And then it goes a little bit down, 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 like that, right? Same principle here is that currently, based on what I see, maybe I'll say that, there's a loss of momentum. Now, people can manipulate and do whatever, and I'm not a whale, and all the other factors, but based on what I see currently, we keep driving up like this hard. The expectancy or the expectation or the probability of a correction happening, if we want to go up, increases over time as demand for Bitcoin increases. Meaning for me, I am expecting a correction because the long game for Bitcoin is very high and very highly valued. Now, I may be wrong, correct? But at the same time is, if we looked at how Bitcoin has run currently, it's run up from 14,000 to 67,000. So get my trusty calculator here. 14,000, say 67 minus 14. We did a 53K run up, right? So this segment here was a 53K. I'll call it 53. Yes, I know I can't really. 53K run up, and then from here 75. We had a correction from 74 all the way down to 49. So 74 minus 49, 25 grand, right? So 25 grand right here. And the reason why I'm saying that is we're either dropping 25 grand or we're doing a big kahuna of from 70,000 all the way down to, where was it? 14,000. So 70 minus 14 or 56K. So the correction that I'm looking at is between $25,000 and $56,000 correction. Which one are we doing? Don't know. But what I right now currently looking at this market at this moment, the goal is to figure out A, when are we correcting, if we are correcting, and B, understanding what everything else is going on. And currently, right now, from what I see, it still hasn't made up its mind yet. We could still make an easy bull run, but like I said, for me to confirm that this market is going down, is we need to break this level right here. Presto capow, right? So we need to generally break the 103 marker down for me to even start thinking, okay, we're either, and then when it breaks down, are we doing a minor correction down to the 82K marker, or are we doing a really massive major correction down to 52K? And that as well we'll have to do a bit more research on. But right now, currently, I'm still figuring out, are we going up or are we breaking? And so that's sort of the thesis that we have. Is the big bottom line is, let's make this, I don't know, green, and let's make the top green as well. Outside of the green box, we'll decide our direction, and then we can figure out what levels for our direction do we go. Simple as that. I don't want to make an assumption or go, yeah, I know for a fact 100% it's going down or it's going up. I don't fudging know. And for anybody to tell you they know exactly where the market is going, I would be very speculative. You mean only us traders can follow the market based on what we see, and we don't predict the market. And if you try to predict the market, you're going to be burned a lot. My experience has shown that you get burned too much when you try to go, yeah, you know exactly where the market will go, what time, what segment, what price, etc. And people that go, well, I have my bots and all this stuff. Cool. But then when more people use those bots, the market will take in those numbers and your bots will become politely useless. Now, people can argue with me about that, disagree, that's fine. But overall, human nature, when more people start using one thing, the strength and the relevance, as well as the edge, I guess people say traders have this edge, starts to diminish massively. So I think I really want to just look at basic price action, higher high, lower low. That's it. And I think that that would help determine what direction we're going in. Now, that being said, let's go into 5 minute, and I won't waste too much more of your time. And currently right now, that's, if I just go a little bit down, that's it. So like right now, we're just waiting. We're waiting to figure out, is the market going to go like this? Break, breathe, retest. And then that signifies to us that we aren't going into this corrective pattern. Or the other thing is the market could go, oh, I'll go down, and then pushes up. Or it goes like this, plays into the zone a little bit, pushes off, or pushes off that way. Like I said, I don't know, but I think right now this zone at 107 and 102 is a very good zone to make a nice little box on, and then get ready to, you mean, if you can short Bitcoin, awesome. If you can't, wait and see what's going on in the market. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of insight. I'm doing actually a Q&A tonight, actually, 7 p.m. MST. If you want to join in, let me know. Send me a DM. More than happy to help. And like I said, I look forward in seeing you either at the Q&A, which is a Google Meet, or I look forward in seeing you in the next video that I post, which hopefully will be in the next couple minutes. And I'm just going to be doing a whole alt season, cryptos, a couple metals, gold, of course, silver, copper, and maybe a couple other stocks that I really haven't touched base on. So hopefully you're having a good day. I'll stop the chit chatter, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. And from my trading desk to yours, trade what you see. Take care.